Good day everyone. I'll be taking you through the process on how to install your Wi-Fi smart camera. Do stay with me as I take you to the steps. So the first step is, if you are using an Android phone, you go to your Play Store. You go to your Play Store and search for the app Tuya Smart. Tuya Smart. It's spelled Tuya Smart. Now, when you do that, for iPhone users, you go to your Apple Store and also do the same thing. Search for Tuya Smart. Now, this is the app here. I've gotten my app already, so I just immediately, after you download the app, the next thing you do is to create an account. So I already have my app. I just go straight to it. Now, after you download the app, it takes you to this place. It brings you here to this part. If you don't have an account, you sign up. You tap the sign up button. But since I already have one, I tap on login. Now, one thing you should know is, for you to use this Tuya app, you don't use your data. You don't use your personal data. You need to be connected to a Wi-Fi. Like you can see here, I'm connected to a Wi-Fi, to a hotspot. I'm connected to one. Now I log in. You input your Gmail address, which is now. After that, you're in already. So when you get here to this point, you put this down for some minutes. Now you connect your camera, Wi-Fi camera, to the electricity. Please make sure your phone is connected to a Wi-Fi. Make sure it is connected to a Wi-Fi. Now, to put on your camera, you do this. Make sure it's connected to the electricity. Then you do this. Plug it in and wait for it to come up. Now the camera is up already. You can see it's rotating 360 degree. Now, one thing you should notice, a sound comes out. There are going to be 3 different sounds. There is one you'll be hearing right now. That's to show that the camera is on. Please take notice of the sounds. This sound. Now, when you're hearing this sound, now you take your phone, go back to your phone on the app, to your app. You tap on add device. When you tap on add device, you come here to this place, the part where electrical, lighting, sensors, large room, small room, they are written. You tap on security and video surveillance. When you tap on that, this part changes. Then you tap on smart camera Wi-Fi. After that, you click on this little circle here. Click on it, and this, and next, tap on step. Next. Now, why I said you should connect to a Wi-Fi is, for you to connect to this camera, you need a Wi-Fi. You don't use your data. Now, when you are connected to the Wi-Fi appears here. The Wi-Fi your phone is connected to appears here. Now it expects you to put in the Wi-Fi passwords here. This is my Wi-Fi password here right now. So when you put yours in, you tap on next. Now it comes here. Next thing you do is scan. To scan this, you take the camera up like this and this. Let it face each other. You heard that sound? That is the sound that shows that it has connected. It has scanned. Then when you hear that sound, you tap on I heard a prompt. I heard a prompt. Wait for it to scan. You wait for it to scan. So now it's done scanning. Sometimes it might take some time, it might take a while. You tap on retry. Then after you get here, you tap on done. If you want to rename the camera, you do this. You come here. Now done. Tap here, don't show this message again. And text. Tap on text. When this pops up, you tap on next and tap on done. And just so you know, sometimes this done button might not tap, so you just go back and tap on the camera again. So my done button is working. Now it's trying to configure the camera. So let's wait for it to configure, and after this it comes out. You see your screen, you see wherever you place your camera on your phone. So it's a very simple step that you can easily get. Just a few minutes. If you watch this video a few minutes, then you know how to set up your camera. Now my camera is connected. You guys can see, it has connected. So now this is our camera. This is it.